Good morning, good morning. Dr. Sandu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Here I am sort of in my garden, and I'm just going to show you sort of what a morning sort of routine, especially in this beautiful weather, looks like for me. So the first things that I do is get up and drink about a litre of water, and then what I do is I do a meditation, and then the next thing I do is come out into the garden. And as you see, the grass is suffering a little bit with this weather, but obviously can't keep watering it too much, but it'll grow back. But one of the things I do is show you. Okay, difficult at this angle, but there we go. Barefoot. I walk barefoot. That sort of basically is a really, really good thing to do. Walk barefoot on the grass because what we're doing is we're getting in connection with the earth, and the earth is a magnet, and what we are sort of electromagnetic beings that resonate with the frequency of our amazing planet. So something called earthing, check it out on YouTube, is an amazing thing to do where you're actually sort of connecting with the earth by walking barefoot, and it's a lovely, lovely feeling. Because you're walking sort of on sort of nice, cool, wet grass as well. What a lovely thing to do, especially sort of with the weather the way it is at the moment. And then what I'll do is I will basically do a little workout with my kettlebells for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that's my morning done. So for all of you out there, enjoy your day. It's a beautiful, beautiful, glorious day. We, of course, are open from 10 o'clock today, and I look forward to seeing you. And if you need my help, if you're in any kind of pain or discomfort at all, then you need to come and see me because I can help you. And otherwise, have a great day, and I look forward to helping you. God bless. Take care of yourselves, keep well hydrated, and keep as cool as you can. Bye for now.